Hello everyone, and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the various types of steel pipes, focusing on the straight seam welded pipes that our factory specializes in. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Let's start with the straight seam welded pipe. The straight seam welded pipe is also known as ERW pipe, which is mainly divided into HFW and low frequency resistance welding. Among them, HFW uses high frequency current to generate heat precisely at the edges of the steel sheets to be welded. These steel sheets are first rolled into a cylindrical shape. The high frequency current induces rapid heating at the interface, thus achieving a clean and efficient longitudinal weld. The diameter range of HFW steel pipes of Huayang steel pipe can reach 26 inches, 660.4 millimeters. They are renowned for their strength and durability and are an ideal choice for structural applications. In our factory, each HFW pipe has to go through a strict quality control process. We inspect the internal weld seam to ensure a clean and precise weld, with narrow root penetration, to guarantee optimal performance. Next, we also produce LSAW steel pipes, which are ideal for heavy-duty projects like oil and gas pipelines. These pipes are created by welding along the length of the steel sheet, ensuring a strong and secure bond. Finally, we also provide seamless steel pipes. Seamless steel pipes start as solid steel bars or billets, which are heated and stretched over a mold to form a hollow tube. These steel pipes are known for their superior strength and are perfect for high-pressure applications. At our factory, we pride ourselves on offering a wide range of high-quality steel pipes to meet the diverse needs of our customers. From construction and infrastructure projects to industrial applications, we have the expertise and capacity to deliver the right product for your project. If you're looking for reliable straight seam welded pipes or any other type of steel pipe, feel free to contact us today for more information or a quote. We look forward to working with you.